This remarkable Craftsman-style home is move-in ready with a fantastic, thoughtfully designed floor plan. Ideally located in a quiet Cornelius neighborhood, it's close to parks, great schools, and shopping. And it's just a short 15-minute drive to Intel and Costco. Heading inside, discover a seamless open floor plan with high ceilings, an inviting gas fireplace, and tons of natural light. The kitchen features a large island, stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator and gas range, as well as a convenient pantry for all of your storage needs. Just off the entry, you'll find an elegant living room ready for entertaining, as well as a light-filled formal dining room. The main level also features a versatile space for an office or a guest bedroom. Upstairs, the luxurious primary suite awaits. The ensuite bath is a tranquil retreat with a dual sink vanity, soaking tub, shower, and a large walk-in closet, plus a flexible open loft area. You'll find 3 more upper-level, generously sized bedrooms with walk-in closets in this 5-bedroom, 3-bath home of more than 3,100 square feet. Outside, the fully fenced backyard provides a private oasis for relaxation, entertainment, or gardening. The 2-car garage offers ample space for parking, along with an extended bay for storage. Other features include a gas furnace and air conditioning throughout. A fantastic opportunity for a home with impeccable style and functionality. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.